You keep arguing with people when it's the spirit behind them that's after you. Baby, you can't fight spirit with flesh. You keep clapping back, but all that's doing is draining your oil. Every petty comment, every triggered moment is costing you peace. And you can't afford to waste, baby. The enemy ain't loud, baby. He's strategic. He'll use the people closest to you. He'll wrap confusion in familiar voices. He'll stir up chaos on your way to clarity. Not everything deserves your reaction. Some things require your restraint. Don't scroll yet, baby. This next part gonna save your mouth and your mind. God said, if you want me to fight for you, you got to stop stepping in my way. You pray for peace, then go starting debates. You ask for protection, but keep texting demons. Let me be your defender, baby. You ain't built to battle everything. You don't have to prove your point when God already cleared your name. Let him talk. You pray and watch how heaven handles it.